Hey everyone! Welcome to the Career Roadmap Series 2025. In this series, we'll be decoding top tech and creative careers from scratch to success. I'm your mentor, and I'll be guiding you through this journey. Our first episode is all about becoming a full-stack developer. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a full-stack developer? Simply put, a full-stack developer works on both the front-end and back-end of an application. You're not just limited to building the user interface or the server logic. You're responsible for understanding the entire software architecture and building complete applications from design to deployment. Why should you consider becoming a full-stack developer in 2025? The demand is global, and top tech giants, startups, and agencies are always on the lookout for versatile developers like you. With a full-stack skill set, you'll have better job mobility, flexibility to work remotely, and a high salary potential. In India, you can expect $820 LPA, while in the US, it's $80,000 to $160,000. Plus, with AI, Web3, and cloud-native development on the rise, the demand for full-stack developers is only going to increase. So, what are the core skills you need to become a full-stack developer? On the front end, you'll need to know HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Vue.js, or Next.js. On the back end, Node.js, Express.js, REST APIs, and GraphQL are essential. You'll also need to know databases like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, or MySQL, and version control systems like Git and GitHub. As a full-stack developer, you'll work with a variety of tools and technologies. On the front end, you'll use VS Code, Figma, and Chrome DevTools. On the back end, Postman, Swagger, and Docker will be your friends. For databases, MongoDB Atlas and Supabase are popular choices. And when it comes to DevOps, GitHub Actions, Vercel, and Netlify will help you deploy and manage your applications. In the first 6 months, you'll focus on building a strong foundation. You'll master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics, build 3 to 5 mini front-end projects, and learn Git and GitHub. You'll also get started with React.js, Node.js, and MongoDB, and deploy simple apps with Netlify or Vercel. In the next 6 months, you'll build full-stack projects using the MERN stack, learn API development, authentication, and error handling. You'll also start using Docker and basic CI/CD workflows. This is where you'll start to see your skills come together, and you'll be able to build more complex applications. After a year of learning, you'll be ready to take your skills to the next level. You'll build scalable apps, implement testing, explore TypeScript, and learn advanced backend concepts. You'll also contribute to open source projects, host your portfolio and blog, and start applying for internships, freelancing, or jobs. When it comes to your portfolio, there are a few must-haves. You'll need a personal portfolio website, 3 solid full-stack projects, a GitHub profile with clean commits, and blog posts or LinkedIn content. This will showcase your skills to potential employers and help you stand out in the industry. There are many communities and resources available to help you on your journey. Join Discord communities like EdiHub, Dev's Nest, and Code Support. Explore GitHub repositories, and learn from platforms like Free Code Camp, Frontend Mentor, and Roadmap.sh. YouTube channels like Fireship and Code Evolution will also be helpful. When preparing for jobs, focus on building projects rather than memorizing syntax. Practice data structures and algorithms, read job descriptions, and tailor your resume. Mock interviews with peers or mentors will also help you prepare. Freelance or internship experience will give you real-world exposure and make you a more attractive candidate. Here's a snapshot of what you can expect in terms of salary. As an entry-level full-stack developer, you can expect 6 to 8 LPA in India or $60,000 to $80K in the US. Mid-level developers can earn 12 to 18 LPA or $100,000 to $130K, while top-tier developers can earn 20 plus LPA or $150,000 plus. Finally, here's my advice to you. Learn, build, share, network, and apply. Full-stack development is not about learning everything. It's about knowing enough to build confidently. Be consistent, not perfect. Progress stacks over time. Make this your year of level up, and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful full-stack developer. And that's all for episode 1. Another profession. Another roadmap. Another episode. See you there. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.